Hello, let me show you 5 camera tricks for your Motorola Moto G54. So first of all, let's start from the brightness adjustment. You can just click on the screen and then move this icon up and down to increase or decrease brightness level. You can also do this automatically. So we can just tap on the screen once. Next, you are able to change the color and the temperature without the promote by tapping right here. And you can find some filters. As you can see, it is changing the color and the temperature on our photos. Next, another tip will be about the volume buttons that we can find on the right side. So when you click on the volume up or volume down, you can actually take the photo. If you want to take the photos with the high resolution mode, just go to the settings, open the photos, click on the rear photo resolution, and here switch from the standard to the high one. Next, we can also enable camera timer by tapping right here between 3 or 10 seconds. When you tap on the shutter, it will count down, and then after this time the photo will be taken. You can also stop it by tapping on the X. And if you want to get more features, you can open the Pro mode, where you can adjust almost every parameter like the white balance, shutter delay, ISO, exposure compensation, manual focus. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.